So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we can see, very much looking like it's coming down and retesting into this previous low area again. As you can see, very clear area of support that we have been forming. This previous wick, we came down into here again and again over the past week with Bitcoin retracing. Polygon looking very overextended to the downside now, in my opinion. You can see quite clearly that we have been just moving to the downside under resistance for a good while, and under our 100 moving average. Ever since we lost that, we've been in a big fat downtrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside. Recently, obviously, we had that big nice Burj Khalifa price action breaking and then coming back inside resistance, but breaking out of it again, and very much looking like we're going to be going sideways in this local area for a while. I do think Bitcoin's going to head to new all-time highs soon, and that's going to lead the altcoin market up. Overall, I have been thinking Polygon's probably going to be doing something like this and heading back to the upside, like a lot of cryptos are that have basically been forming these big W double bottom patterns for reversal. But Polygon looking like it's come down to retest that support area again, but overall looking very overextended to the downside, and in my opinion probably going to be heading back to the upside soon. And it seems very likely, and much more likely, to head up than down from here. In my opinion, you can see quite clearly we are basically pretty much at the bear market range low in a good area of demand. So let's see what we can do going forward. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up to Bybit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well, and like and subscribe for more.